Welcome back and thank you for joining. Let's take a look at another application of linear systems, and this time we're looking at a problem about money. We call them the straight quantities. So let's read the problem together first. A box contains 140 dimes and nickels. The total value is $11.15. How many dimes and nickels are there? So I read the problem the first time and I understand it's about dimes and nickels. So it's a money problem. So I'm going to read it again with a focus on the question asked. So I'm asked how many dimes and how many nickels are there. So we're asked the number of coins in dimes and the number of coins in nickels. So these are going to be our variables. And remember that in linear systems applications, we use two variables. So we're going to let the number of dimes be x, and we're going to let the number of nickels be the unknown variable y. Now we're going to read the problem one more time with the purpose of understanding how to connect the numbers with our variables. So a box contains 140 dimes and nickels. So the total number of coins x and y would be 140, and the total value is 11.15. Now, as you can see, this is kind of a mixed numbers because it's expressed in dollars and cents. So we want to convert this into one unit. You can keep it in dollars, or you can convert it to cents. And I don't want to deal with a decimal number, so I would convert this into cents. Now remember that the value of one nickel, sorry, that is a typo. The value of one nickel is 5 cents. A value of one dime is 10 cents. Now, I usually like to organize the information on a chart because it makes it easier for me to see the information I have and make the connections more easily. This is not a must, so it is up to you if you want to follow the exact same format. So we're going to say X is the number of nickels, Y is the number of dimes, and we're going to let the number of nickels obviously be X and the number of dimes be Y. So the other way around, it doesn't really matter. So X and Y would be the values. Now, we're going to say that the value of nickels would be equal to, since we have the let statements in here, we're going to keep that, out of the way. So the value of nickels will be 5 cents times x, because x nickels, 5 cents each, will make a 5x. And the value of dimes will be 10 cents, y nickels, that makes y nickels of 10 cents each, 10y. So we're going to say that if the sum of the coins x plus y is 140, the value of the coins 5x and 10y would be equal to 1,115. So these will be our two equations. So we're going to call them the equations A and B, and we're going to put them together in a system. And we have x plus y equals 140, 5x plus 10y equals 1,115. So whenever you have coefficients that are kind of large, check and see if you can reduce the coefficients if possible. Make solving the system a lot easier and a lot shorter, which saves not only time but opportunities to make mistakes, because longer solutions, more opportunities for error. So we're going to rewrite the system as x plus y equals 140, and we're going to divide by 5 in every term, which means that we're multiplying by 5 everywhere here to get to the equation 5x over 5x, 10y over 5y, 2y, and 1,115 over 5 to 23. Now, we're going to solve the system. As you can see, x has the same coefficient, so elimination would be easier. And we are going to subtract the equations. And what we have now, this is the music in my school, is x minus x plus y minus 2y equals 140 minus 223. And therefore, we're going to have in here 140 minus 223 equal to negative 83, which will make y equal to 83. Now that we have the y value, we can easily find the x value, and that would be x plus 83, because now we have the number of coins in dimes equals 140, so x will be equal to 140 minus 83. It's hard to focus. and we have x equal to 57. So remember that x was the number of nickels, y was the number of dimes. So therefore, we're going to say that there were 57 nickels and 83 dimes. All right, and if you want to check your answer, always go for this equation right here and check and see if that would add up. Now, obviously, 57 and 83 is 140, but substitute 83 and 57, and then you will see that that satisfies the equation. And that's how we check whether our answer is correct or not. I hope you found the instructions useful. Thank you for learning with me, and bye for now. And I hope you enjoyed this music too.